Hey, I'm Fish. Did you see the first sequel? Get ready for the second one. It's not going to be that bad, but it's going to be a lot better than before. And I promise you that. It's a Pig's Life, Part 2. What's that little blue thing? Is it a space alien that's in my car that's got a single eye that's looking out? It's a reminder telling me how much wood I need to get. Ah, man. That went in deep. I got my wood, and a little Peaky went home. So I gotta try to figure out if I want to go all the way to the floor, or partially to the floor, or go narrow like I did in the back, or go wider in the front. I think I'm gonna go narrower, so when I do my reviews and get things done in the front, I don't see a pig pen. I gotta just do something over here. But I continue on. Looks good, right? I'm happy with it. Really happy. My lights will light up later, but I got lights underneath the rail. That's what that is. We'll see what it lights up. It's not super bright, just light enough to say, hey, I'm here. I'll tie it into the panel here. Not a big deal. And I am going to take these and put a cable management. I should have did that before I put the fence up. Now I'm going to just go straight up the line the best I can. And then I got to get up there. All white and then just paint it red. I can sit back and relax now. The job's well done. Way to go, Fish. And that's what I did. Built the fence around my planters. Made it real supportive. Real strong. I'm happy. Are you? I'll catch you on the next video. People love looking. Have a great day. How does that look to you right now? Light underneath the railing, the pole lanterns, they're going to be brighter soon. Oh yeah.